Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be cooking, which is a little bit different. I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook, but I do enjoy my food. Today I'm going to be doing a plant-based meal, outdoors in the woods. Guys, it's healthy, it's nutritious, it's vegan, it's plant-based, it's quick, it's cheap. Oh, and it's so easy to make. I might have already mentioned that. So I've got with me today some ingredients, like I said, really easy, really cheap to access and to get. You should be able to get these from your local supermarket. I'm going to be cooking as best as I can with the equipment that I've got with me today. I've got one pan, I've got one saucepan. Ideally I'd like to have a wok, but I have just got a frying pan today. It's going to have to do. So first things first, I'm going to get the rice noodles in here with some boiling water, let them simmer, take them off the heat, and then I'm going to get everything in the frying pan. This is a one pot wonder if you think about it. Ignore this, I'm going to use it for a couple of minutes and then we are onto the frying pan. It's so easy. How healthy is this looking already? So the rice noodles are done. They literally took 1 or 2 minutes. I've just left them in the hot water. You barely even need to cook them. It's more about just simmering them, letting them stand in the hot water for a little bit. I've got all of this veg in. You see I used a little bit of chili oil, which just gives it a little bit of a kick. I have got some chilies with me today, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use them because I'm not really one for a massive amount of spice. So the only chopping and preparing that I had to do really was get an extra onion in there, get another yellow pepper in there because I love my pepper, gives it that extra bit of sweetness. And the rest of what I put in there was just a stir-fry mix, which you can buy in bags. They're about 75 pence. And look how colourful this is at the moment. So what I'm going to be putting in this stir-fry today is some jackfruit. Now, if you haven't cooked jackfruit before, it can be a little bit intimidating to use. It's basically just fibre and water. This is just beautiful, isn't it? First time doing this in a very long time. So of course this is going to be my lunch today, but I will take some home. It will reduce down in size once it starts to simmer and it starts to sweat. It will get smaller, so it looks like an awful lot to begin with, but it will get smaller. Just be thinking of that. Yes, this looks great. So I have got some sauce to go in as well. Again, it's just a shop bought sauce. I'm sure you can look at other videos on YouTube. Like I said, I'm not a cook, I'm not a chef. I could make my own sauce, but life's too short. I've just brought some sauce today, and it's like a chow mein sauce. So again, completely plant-based. It's basically just spices and sugar and all that good stuff that makes it taste pretty good. So whilst I'm letting that stir fry simmer down and just gently cook off, I'm gonna get my jackfruit on the go as well. Now, this can go in pretty early on. I should have really got it on a bit earlier. I've got a tea towel with me today. Now, this is the best way to get the water out of it as far as I know. You want to get the water out of it really to give it that meaty texture. So, there we are. Okay, so as you can see, I've got it in the tea towel and I'm going to wrap it up into like a little parcel. And now this is my jackfruit tea towel, because you will get little marks in it, so just get yourself a clean tea towel, but one that you're not afraid to use for jackfruit in the future. I'm just going to twist it, and this will start to get all of the water out, as you can see. So just keep twisting and try and get as much of that water out as you can. Get those muscles working back, come on. Okay. But once you feel like you've got out as much as you can, open up the tea towel and just start to separate it. Okay, so once that's drained, I'm going to put it straight into the stir fry, and then I'm going to get the sauce on in just a moment. And this is pretty much ready. Rice noodles to go on at the end and you're done. Top it with some chilli and spring onion, and this will come together quite nicely. Get on it. Beautiful. What an easy dish. If I can cook it in the woods, then you can definitely cook this at home. So easy. So good. Thanks so much. If you're still watching the video, please do like and subscribe. I've been digging into this. It's really nice. It's good. Simple. Cheap. Great to do outdoors. The jackfruit is a great addition. Of course, if I had a bit more time, then I could have put some sauce on it, marinated it overnight. And that's the thing, it's very similar to like tofu or tempeh. It absorbs a lot of the flavour. As long as you get that water out of it, it turns into that sort of nice meaty replacement that a lot of people are after. What a beautiful lunch. If this is something that you enjoy doing and cooking outdoors is your thing, let me know in the comments below what you've been cooking. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this. There will be something coming on the screen now. You can visit my channel, you can subscribe, and you can look at a few other videos that I've been making in recent weeks. So thanks so much for watching the video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.